When you are angry, when you are rash, when you are brash, it is the elder of the family. It is the eldest member. When I say eldest, means not by age, by wisdom. Who brings the family back, who brings you back to your normal state with maturity, with knowledge, with poise. How can the situation be brought under control? Firstly, that person is just listening to you, calm, collective, poise. And you are, what are you doing? Rash, brash, shouting, yelling, screaming. One shouting, one yelling, other shouting, other yelling, nothing happens. So your situation is brought under control when the elder has complete control over the situation. That's what Yudhishthira did in the last class, in the last Mahabharata where they were. Yudhishthira completely took over the situation and controlled. Bhima was going berserk, and his wife was going, she was annoyed by things. She was annoyed by the way he was spending time with the sadhus. And she thought that this is not the time for him to spend with the sadhus, with the saints. This is a time for him to get aggressive. This is a time for him to get his nature out, his aggressive nature out. Grace, poise, wisdom, calmness, objectivity, majestic. But you must understand, in a fit of anger, Draupadi went berserk, and not only she went berserk, she influenced Bhima, and even after 7 years, they were recollecting that memory, and that memory of theirs were enraging them because Draupadi and Bhima were not fit to live in seclusion. But that's not the point. The point is how Yudhishthira, see, make these qualities your best friends. What? Poise, calm, objectivity, majestic, grace. You need to do that. You need to be calm while handling a situation. You need to have your mind, in order for you to be calm and not react, you have to have a poise in your mind. You have to have grace in your gait. You need to have objectivity of your intellect, and you have to be majestic in nature to observe, allow people to function, especially your family members, people in your organization, because they are like your children. It may happen, someone may go off, but you need to, a leader brings it back to control by handling it with these qualities. So bring these qualities in your life. Don't augment and flare up other negative qualities, because flaring up only does damage, especially in a situation. So he didn't let anger govern him. He ruled anger. He had a vision. And although he managed to calm the situation down,